everyone! Welcome back to CodeDesign Academy. In this video, I'll be showing you the new and updated version of CodeDesign forms. Previously, setting up forms in CodeDesign was a bit of a hassle. You had to create a database, add fields, connect those together, and manage a lot of, technical baggage. This needed to change. And this week, based on feedback from our community, we've revamped the entire form experience on CodeDesign AI. All right, so let's see how seamless the new form experience is. For this demo, I'll be using one of the templates from our template library. And let's check this out, the Pro Portfolio template. As you can see here, there is an email subscription form and a general contact form here. Perfect. We'll use this template to demonstrate the new features. After selecting the template for the project by clicking on the Use Template button, we're giving this project a name. I'll call it Demo Form A, and start the project. Now that the form is ready on the page, let's scroll down to view the form elements. If you are working with a new template or one from the template library, you might encounter an option that says Update to Latest Component. When you see this, click the button to update the form to the latest version. After updating, you'll see all the form features on the right sidebar, including text fields, email fields, long text fields, and a submit button. The first thing you'll need to do is give the form a name. I'm going with Contact Form. Naming the form is important, and I'll explain why later in the video. If you click on a field, it will collapse, allowing you to change the name of the field and the placeholder text. For example, instead of full name, you can simply use name, and it will reflect right there on the canvas. One important thing to note is that if you want to create more form fields, you can click on the plus button right here. This allows you to add whatever fields you need. For example, let's go with a website URL field. Once you've selected the one from the dropdown, the field element will be created within the same form, and you can style it as needed. If you want to reposition this new element, you can simply drag and drop it wherever you need. If you'd like to remove the label, you can easily delete it like this. And if you want the new field to match the style of existing forms, you can go to the style settings and tinker with the settings like border radius. Now, we have designed a new field element for our form. You can also add or change the placeholder text if needed, but for now, I'm not keeping this, so I'll go ahead and delete this element. A new feature in this form experience is the Data Hub, which automatically creates a database for the forms, so you don't have to worry about any technical issues. Let's go ahead and publish this form to see how it works. Now that the form is published, let's enter some basic information and click Send. You'll see that the Submit button works and the form is successfully submitted. The user experience is seamless. Back in the builder, if you go to the Data Hub workspace, you'll see a new table created with the name we gave earlier. This table stores the full name, email, and message entered in the contact form. Now, let's see what happens if we have multiple forms. If you recall, our template also includes a subscription form. I'll update this form to the latest component and name it Email Subscription. Once the new email subscription form is enabled, let's try publishing it. Now let's go to the updated page and try submitting a demo input in the email subscription form. I'll enter data into the subscription form and click Subscribe. Once submitted, we can return to the canvas and check the Data Hub. You'll see that the email subscription form has its own separate table where the data is stored. This is how you can manage multiple forms on your website, with each form's data being collected in separate tables. And that's it. That's how you set up a form on CodeDesign. If you're interested in learning about our newly launched funnel feature, stay tuned for our upcoming video on that. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to let us know through comments, support chats, or the CodeDesign forum. Thank you for watching.